So today we have the GAN 356 XS, and we also have the YJ MGC 2x2. And we got some stands as well. We'll get right onto the 2x2. Comes right off. There it is. Tube itself. We got some magnets, some springs and washers, and also a pamphlet. So this is the cube. I'm going into some first turns. Oh yes. My current 2x2 doesn't have magnets, and you can definitely feel the magnets in this. It's very fast. Shades. Let's scramble this up. Alright, we'll try solving it. Yeah, it's pretty good. It might need some tensioning though. And I'm gonna have to get used to the magnets because it does feel weird, as this is my first magnetic cube. Anyways, we'll move on to the GAN XS. So this is the box. It's really nice. And we have the GAN 356 XS card with the number on it and some QR codes at the back. Now we have the GAN XS, and we have the accessories box. And here we have the GAN bag. This is my first GAN bag. Wow, that is a really good material. Very nicely made. We have the center caps for the GAN robot. We have the tensioning tools. We have the big pamphlet. We have the instructions for the tensions. And we just have the GAN robot pamphlet. And we'll get into the box. Opens up like that. There it is. Pretty nice. Here we have the 356 XS. First turns. Whoa. That is very nice. It is a bit tight out of the box. And the magnet strength right now, I say it's medium. Magnet system. So there's 3 clicks, I believe. Light magnets, medium magnets, and strong magnets. Right now I think it's on light. So for the tensions, I'm not sure how you do it, but this is what it looks like. So you just take this tool that it comes with and you put it in there and you just turn it anti-clockwise, and yeah, loosen something or tighten something, I'm not sure, sorry. Corner twists, yeah, they're pretty hard. Corner cutting, I've heard it's pretty bad out of the box. Halfway, yeah. Reverse corner cutting. It's alright. But yeah, we'll give this a scramble and we'll try and solve. Got it all scrambled up. So we'll try solving this. But it's 7. It's alright, I guess, for me. In other reviews, I thought it was going to be loud, but to be honest, it's not that loud compared to my GTS 3M. And again, they're about the same. So yeah, that was just a quick unboxing on the GAN 356 XS and the YJ MGC 2x2. And so far, they're really good. Definitely go shop at Daily Puzzles if you want to get them. And yeah, that's the end of this video. See you in the next one.